Hello everyone, this video shows how to request an account on FASRC under CJ Lab, connecting to FASRC VPN and logging into the cluster using terminal. Firstly, to create a new account, we need to browse to the FASRC's request account page. Once you are there in this page, at the bottom you can see the user type. You can choose user with a Harvard key or users without a Harvard key. I'm choosing users without a Harvard key and clicking on submit to fill further details. Fill the following details in this web page. Please fill your personal details under user info section and make sure you remember your username as you need it in the future. And also please choose appropriate job title, and affiliates to Harvard can choose external to Harvard as their job title. Choose Vihai Guan as PI name and also choose Vihai Guan as approver name. And for the department, you can type in Institute for Quantitative Social Science. And once you have filled all the details in this web page, please click on next to submit your new account request. After clicking on next, you will be asked to confirm the following details, and once you confirm the details, your request will be sent to the FSRC team. In the meanwhile, you can email Dr. Wendy Guan about your request so that she can approve your request at the earliest. Once your request is approved by Dr. Wendy Guan, you will receive an email to reset your password. Once your account is approved by the PI, you will receive an email similar to this. In this email, you will be given a password reset link where you can create a password for your account. Let us quickly browse to this link and let's see whether we can create a password or not. So here you can type in the email that you have provided while creating an account in the first step. Please click on submit after providing the email address. You will receive an email from the RC team where there will be a password reset link again sent to you which has a particular session time. So reset your password or create your password in that particular time period. Once your password is successfully created, you then need to request an open auth token, which is a two-factor authentication to log into FSRC cluster. You can browse to the OpenAuth web page of the FSRC portal to know the steps for requesting the OpenAuth token. It is mandatory to have the RC account's username and password before requesting for the token. So once your username and password is created, you can click on the two-factor authentication link provided here, and once your request is placed, the RC team will send you the link of the QR code via email. The email looks something similar to this. You can click on this particular link to see the QR code, and to scan the QR code you can use the Google Authenticator mobile application, which is available for both Android and iOS. So once you scan this particular QR code, you can now receive the OpenAuth tokens, which are only valid for a short period of time. Your account is successfully created, you just need to download the Cisco AnyConnect VPN to access the RC resources both using terminal or VDI. So to download the Cisco VPN service, you can go to the setup web page of the FASRC portal. Here you can see the steps to download the Cisco AnyConnect VPN software and to log in to the VPN service of the FASRC. I will show you the process now. After downloading the Cisco AnyConnect web client, you need to provide the address as vpn.arc.fas.harvard.edu. After providing the web address, you just need to click on connect. Here you will be asked to enter the password and the second password, which is nothing but the OpenAuth token that you will receive in the Google Authenticator mobile application. So let me give my credentials now. So now you can see that we have connected to the VPN service of the FSRC, and now we can log in to the FSRC cluster with our login details. So let me quickly show you how to log in to the FSRC cluster using the login credentials. So I'll open the terminal to connect to the FSRC cluster. So there are two ways to use the FSRC resources. One is using the terminal and the other is by using the virtual desktop interface. So I'll first show you how you can log into the FSRC cluster using the terminal. So you just need to SSH the username, which is nothing but jchorapalli@login.rc.fas.harvard.edu. Once you click on enter, you will be asked to provide the password and the two-factor authentication token. So let me quickly give my credentials. See here, you can see that I'm inside the FSRC cluster right now. So I'll just navigate you to one of our CGS folders. So which is nothing but change directory to yeah. So you are now in the CGA storage, which is actually the permanent storage. So this directory is the permanent storage for the CGA. So this directory can hold up to 4 TB of data, and the data in this directory is permanent. So it will not be deleted. But if you would like to perform some heavy computations like input and output operations, this is not the directory. You just need to change your directory to the holy scratch 01, where actually you can perform the computations, because the holy scratch directory is particularly designed to perform the heavy computations, and you can then copy the results to the permanent storage if you would like to see the results for the long time. Holy scratch 01 and CGA. Yep. So this is the directory that you need to have if you would like to perform heavy computations, like if you would like to use Postgres or if you'd like to use Jupyter Notebook to perform some heavy calculations. So this is one way to access the cluster, and the other way is the virtual desktop interface connection. Let me also show you that. So both these VDI and the terminal sessions can only be logged in if and only if you connect to the Cisco AnyConnect VPN service. So as I have previously logged in, it didn't ask me about my credentials, but if you're a first time login user, then you will be asked to provide the same details. So please make sure that you'll enter the details and the two-factor authentication code so that you will be using this particular virtual desktop interface. So this interface is pretty easy to handle, like tasks like launching some data science applications like Postgres database or OmniScheme or Jupyter Notebook. You can use virtual desktop interface to launch these data science applications and work on these back from terminal. If you'd like to know more specifically about launching these data science applications like PostgreSQL or OmniSCI, you can follow our tutorials in this topic. So I hope you understood how to request an account in FASRC under CGA Lab, connect to the FASRC VPN, and log into the FASRC cluster. Thank you.